Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Pick a green color, light pink color, orange color, violet color, dark green color, yellow color, red color, black color, pink color, brown color, sky blue color, blue color. Let's draw the shape. Pie. Star. Diamond. Rectangle. Heart. Octagon. Blue color. Pie. Pie. Blue color. Yellow color. Star. 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 Yellow color. Pink color. Diamond. Diamond. Pink color. Orange color. Rectangle. Rectangle. Orange color. Violet color. Heart. Heart. Violet color. Light pink color. Octagon. Octagon. Light pink color. Pie. Star. Diamond. Rectangle. Heart. Octagon. Blue color, yellow color, pink color, orange color, violet color, light pink color. Pie, star, diamond, rectangle, heart, octagon. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.